Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to write a client appreciation letter, a professional yet heartfelt message that helps you maintain strong business relationships by showing genuine gratitude. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, taking time to thank your clients not only shows professionalism, but also strengthens loyalty. This guide follows a specific letter template and we'll go through every part of it in exact order, without skipping or rearranging anything. We'll break it down section by section so you'll know exactly what to write and why it matters. Let's get started. Sender information. The letter starts with your company's contact information. This includes your company name, your street address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section is essential because it immediately tells the recipient who the letter is from. Even if you've been communicating regularly with your client, this formality sets a professional tone and gives them a quick reference to your business location and contact details. You want to make sure your company name is clear and correct. The address, email, and phone number should all be current so the client can easily follow up if needed. Even though this part seems basic, it's an important introduction to the rest of the letter. Date. Right after your contact information, you'll include the date the letter is written. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually important for record keeping on both ends. A clearly dated letter helps your client track correspondence and shows that your message is timely and relevant. Set the date to when you're actually sending the letter. If you're preparing it in advance, just remember to update the date before you send it out. Recipient details. Next, we include the recipient's information. Here's how it's formatted. Client's name. Client's company name, if applicable. Client's address, city, state, zip code. This section personalizes your message. Always double-check the spelling of your client's name and the accuracy of their business address. It shows you're paying attention to details, and that can really make a difference in how your message is received. If the client doesn't work at a company, you can omit that line. But if they do, be sure to include it. It adds to the professionalism and context. Subject line. Now let's add a subject line to clearly state the purpose of your letter. Subject: thank you for your continued support. Subject lines are especially helpful when sending printed letters or formal emails. This short, direct line tells your client what the letter is about before they even read the first paragraph. It helps frame the content and sets the right tone. Professional, positive, and appreciative. Salutation. Next up is the salutation. This is the greeting, and it usually goes like this. Dear client's name, you want to keep it respectful and warm. If you've had a formal working relationship, Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Johnson is appropriate. But if you're on a first-name basis, Dear John or Dear Sarah is perfectly fine. The key is to match the tone of your relationship while still keeping things professional. Opening paragraph, expressing general appreciation. Now we move into the heart of the letter. The opening paragraph is where you express your gratitude. Let's take a look. I hope this message finds you well. On behalf of our entire team at your company name, I want to take a moment to express our sincere appreciation for your continued trust and partnership. This paragraph sets a warm and respectful tone. Starting with a simple greeting like, I hope this message finds you well, shows courtesy. Then you follow that up with a genuine statement of thanks. Not just from yourself, but from your whole team. This paragraph is powerful because it acknowledges the client's support while reinforcing the idea of partnership. It's not just a one-time transaction, it's an ongoing relationship. Body paragraph, emphasizing the relationship. Next, we continue with the second body paragraph. Working with you has been a true pleasure, and we are grateful for the opportunity to serve your needs. Your feedback, loyalty, and support have been instrumental in helping us grow and improve over time. We value the relationship we've built with you and are committed to providing you with the highest quality of service in the future. This part really highlights the importance of the client's role in your success. You're not just thanking them, you're showing them how much their loyalty and feedback have contributed to your growth. This is where you can acknowledge their trust and partnership in more depth. Letting your client know that you value the relationship reinforces mutual respect and long-term commitment. It also opens the door to future business without being too salesy. This paragraph is essential because it deepens the emotional connection. Clients want to feel seen and appreciated, not just as customers, but as collaborators in your journey. Final body paragraph, looking ahead. Now for the third body paragraph, clients like you make our work so rewarding, and we look forward to many more years of collaboration and mutual success. Should you have any suggestions, needs, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Here you're wrapping things up by expressing optimism for the future. You're telling your client that you're looking forward to continuing the partnership. This shows consistency and commitment. Also, by inviting them to share suggestions or concerns, you're opening a two-way line of communication. It shows that you're not just thankful, you're also listening. This makes clients feel more comfortable reaching out, which is crucial for maintaining a strong relationship. Closing paragraph, ending on a thankful note. Then comes the closing statement. Thank you once again for being a valued part of our journey. It's simple but impactful. You've already expressed your gratitude throughout the letter, but ending with a final thank you wraps everything up in a warm, appreciative tone. This line is your last impression. Make it count. It leaves the client with a positive feeling and reinforces your genuine appreciation. Sign off. Now it's time to close the letter formally. Warm regards, your full name, your position, your company name. If you're printing the letter, don't forget to leave space above your name for your signature. Warm regards is a friendly and professional way to sign off. Of course, you can choose other closings like sincerely or with appreciation, but warm regards fits perfectly with the appreciative tone of this letter. And that's it, your complete client appreciation letter, broken down part by part. Taking the time to send a well-written appreciation letter like this can truly set your business apart. It shows that you don't just value profits, you value people. A thoughtful message like this can strengthen loyalty, open new opportunities, and remind your clients why they chose to work with you in the first place. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know what type of letter or writing tip you'd like to see next. I've got more tutorials coming that'll help you write with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy writing.